Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we performed a roof replacement in the city of Great Falls, Virginia. And here my work is installing a new shutter vent for the dryer. So everything came out really beautiful with this job. Also the men, they installed new step flashing on the chimney, and now they're getting ready to install the counter flashing. We were able to bring a dump truck right up to the house, so all the material that we ripped off the roof, we were able to throw everything into the dump truck, so hardly any debris at all landed on the roof. Now, one thing I tell my workers all the time, and I cannot stress enough, even though the architectural shingles is an excellent roof, it is only as good as the contractor who installs it. And the shingles have to be fastened according to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, here's an example. Where the shingles join together, for instance here, there should be no roof nails exposed near the key, because if there's a heavy downpour, the water can get in through the seam, leak through the side of the nail, and then settle inside the home. Now also with the flashing around the attic fan, we only nail down the outside perimeter. But what some contractors do is when they nail the shingles into place, they put nails into the flashing. So if there's a heavy melting snow or again a heavy rain, the water will get underneath the shingles and leak through the side of the nail and into the house. And it's the same thing with the pipe flashing as well. The nails are only fastened on the outside perimeter. Now with the ridge vent, we put ice and water shield underneath it on both sides of the open breather. So again, with a heavy rain or a melting snow, the ice and water shield is sealing the nails that's holding the ridge vent and the cap shingles into place. Without the ice and water shield underneath, the home could develop a leak. So waterproofing procedures under the ridge vent is most important. Here he's just getting ready to seal underneath the shingles on top of the flash. And the shingle will be pressed right into the ceiling. And this will block the water from getting underneath, and it will prevent leaks. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement in Great Falls and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.